5 Russian words that aren't translated into English. Today will be very interesting video for you because today won't be video like about Russian language, about Russian grammar or Russian rules. Today will be video about some Russian culture, Russian traditions, even sometimes Russian superstitions. Today I decided to share with you really very interesting Russian words that I think so, that you've never heard about this word in your education if you learn Russian. If you're ready, let's go. First Russian word sounds like this. Avos. Avos. This Russian word avos we can translate into English like maybe or suddenly, I mean может быть or вдруг. Russian word avos we use when we hope for good luck in the future. Native Russian speakers, I mean people from Russia, Belarus or Ukraine, I mean people from past, from Soviet Union, yes, these people make such stupid and sometimes strange deeds, strange things in their life, I mean when we talk about a victory or when we talk about their life when we want to win, for example, in any situation, yes, and you know that we want to win, we won't have victory in this situation, and people from Russia, I mean native Russian speakers very often use this kind of word like avos. It means maybe I will have success in this situation. And therefore, there is this kind of Russian phrase like avos получится, avos получится. It means that maybe I will have success in this situation. And I know that older generation from Russia, Ukraine and Belarus know about this very old Russian phrase. And this old Russian phrase sounds like this. На русском авось вся Россия держится. You see this translation in your screen right now, and it's really interesting because sometimes it's really this phrase, all these words sounds really strange and sometimes stupid because, for example, when we have any conflict, when we talk about victory, when we talk about life, we know that we want to win, for example, and we say this kind of word like avos. It means suddenly or maybe I will have success. Oh my god, what the word? Okay, next word. Second Russian words sound like this. Халява. Халява. When I try to find information about translation of this Russian word, I find out this kind of information. Халява translated into English like this. But if you're a native English speaker, probably you will understand this word not correctly. I mean the meaning of this word. Russian word халява means that, for example, you wanna get something in your life, and for this, if you wanna take it, if you wanna get it, you must pay for it. But accidentally exactly accidentally you get it for free, understand? For example, just imagine you are a student and you need to pass exam at the university, at school. Your teacher asks you some questions in this exam. Of course, for pass this exam you need to answer these questions, and you will pass this exam. I hope you understand me, yes? Sorry for my English level. But accidentally this teacher find out that, oh my god, this student have happy birthday today, yes, happy birthday today, or this student has any problems in his life right now when he passes exam right now, and this teacher thinks, oh my god, I need to grade his for free, for nothing, for this exam. I hope you understand me. This student has any problems in his life, or for example, this student has a happy birthday or any good reasons, yes, and this teacher thinks, okay, I will grade you for nothing. Okay, why? And we call this situation like халява. Therefore, Russian students or students even from Belarus and Ukraine know about a very interesting superstition, and these superstitions mean that we call this good luck for us the day before exam. We just open the window and we scream out the window, "Халява приди! Халява приди!" Understand? We just call this good luck for us the day before exam. It's like our tradition, it's like our superstition, understand? Next interesting Russian word sounds like this. Сушняк. Сушняк. Just imagine you came back from party. For example, yesterday you was in the party yesterday and you drank an alcohol a lot. Lots of alcohol, yes? And you wake up and you feel like, oh my god, I want to drink water so much because I want to drink water, yes? And we call this situation like сушняк, сушняк. It means that we want to drink a lot water. And native Russian speaker have this kind of phrase, this kind of sentence like у меня сушняк, у меня сушняк. I mean, I have сушняк, у меня сушняк. I want to drink water, lots of water. Please give me water. Understand? Okay, next Russian word. Next Russian word sounds like this. Беспредел. Беспредел. When I try to find information about translation of this word, I find out this kind of information like lawlessness. Lawlessness. But this, our English word lawlessness, translate into Russian like беззаконие. Беззаконие. What is the difference between these two words like беспредел and беззаконие? I will explain to you. For example, lawlessness, we located this. Беспредел located here. Lawlessness, беспредел. It means that беспредел is the highest level of lawlessness. Because when we talk about Russian word беспредел, беспредел, that located here, yes, lawlessness, беспредел. We talk about not only when you, for example, break a law. It means that we break even different moral standards. Understand? It's a highest level of the lawlessness. Understand? Next interesting Russian words sound like this. Однолюб. Однолюб. We can translate into English like monogamous, but the meaning of these two words absolutely different. What I mean, for example, we can call you or me monogamous because I have only one wife, or you have only one husband if you're a woman, yes? But the meaning of the word, Russian word, однолюб, is when we're talking about, for example, when I love only one person. In all my life, I love only my wife, for example, only one person. Or if you're a woman, you love only your husband. Only one husband all your life, you love only one person. Of course, there are many people who love wife or husband, and but sometimes it happens when you will change your wife or you will change your husband, for example. Yes, it happens in our it's our life, yes. And in this situation, we won't talk about this word like однолюб, because you changed your wife, you changed your husband. Yes, you are monogamous, but you aren't однолюб because you changed your wife, you changed your husband. You have wife, you have husband, and you love only your wife, you love only your husband. It means that you are однолюб, understand? But if you love not only your wife, not only your husband, sometimes you can look at his woman or look at this man, and in this situation you aren't однолюб, understand? If you want me to record new videos about this kind of topic, like for example Russian culture, Belarusian culture, tradition, superstition, different interesting, strange and stupid Russian words, please write in comment under this video. I promise that I'll record these kind of videos what you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.